All right, so I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Zircon stud finder. And this one, as you can see, nothing going on there. There's the, you gotta press that and hold it and dial up. But anyway, to get this battery out, it's not easy. So you're pushing like this, right? And this is supposed to pop out, but it doesn't. So I had to get a screwdriver and put it in here and kind of pop it this way. And then it came out, bam, done. Now, this is one of these 9-volt batteries. So you're gonna need one of these bad boys. And then you just gotta pull it off of here. And don't mix it up with the good battery, stick it in the garbage. Then you gotta get your 9-volt. And the way it goes on is, if you look, there's a male and female side, and there's also a male and female here. You just gotta get the male and the female. The male is the thinner one. And so we just kind of push it right in there like this. See if you can see. Just like that. So there we go. So if you look, there's positive, and that's the negative side. So it's in there, and now all we got to do is smush it back in there like that. See, it's here. Put it back in. Bam, done. Then you take this baby here. You're going to kind of slide it in there. You got to kind of put the thing in, push it down, and then just close it, and it's done. And that's it. You're good. Lights on. Now it's working. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff and how to change batteries. Peace out.